Audio. Today we are going to draw a man with an umbrella. He is standing in the rain. So let's draw the umbrella first. We start from here. So we're going to draw the umbrella here. We are outlining the drawing here. Alright. Let's draw the lines here too. So the umbrella is getting its shape. Small circle in the middle. Let's put three dots here like this circle and connect it like this. Alright, then we connect from here to this dot. Another line will come to this dot. Another line will come to this dot. Alright, the stick on top is darker. Alright, let's draw the person here. It's like his dress. We see from the back, this is the hands, left hand, and this is right hand. Let's draw the legs now. He is wearing a boot. Also another boot for this leg too. He is standing on the ground. Let's put some raindrops here too. Raindrops are falling on his head. There was a popular song in the same lyrics. Raindrops falling on my head. It's a nice song actually. So many raindrops. As it's fall on the water, it splashes. Raindrops make splashes here. Let's make the ground little darker to get the shade. We can put little shade on the boot. All right. So the darker shade here, and these are the legs. Let's make the dress little bit darker too. So the dress is getting nice. This is the wrinkles because of the wind or because he's wearing it. So let's make it little darker, and this too, and we put a uniform shade all over the dress. Right, let's make the hands little more interesting. Let's work on the right hand, and we put the umbrella little more interesting and visible, like giving it these shades here. Yeah, also shades from these sides. For our convenience of drawing, we shift or rotate the canvas a little bit to work easily. Let's draw shades from here too, and little shades from here too. Also shades for this part. Alright, let's make little darker here. Now we can put a regular shade all over the body. So the drawing is almost complete. I hope you guys like the video. If you like, please share and subscribe and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.